Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I do appreciate it. Welcome to my brand new subscribers. I am always happy to sit here and bring you guys videos every single week. Yes, you're going to see the odd videos on a Wednesday, but weekly videos is where it's at. And of course, I'm going to encourage you guys to please follow me on TikTok. TikTok is where all the action is. Yes, I do upload content on Instagram, but I do upload every single day on TikTok. TikTok has literally changed my life. And I have so many wonderful TikTok friends who've subscribed to my channel. I know who they are. Thank you guys so much for doing that. Thank you for coming over to my channel. And of course, I've also subscribed to their channels as well. So it's a wonderful, supportive community on TikTok. I cannot believe the amazing people that I've met virtually on this platform. It is incredible. And of course, today I do have an unboxing for you guys. And this is a paid brand promotion. All of my paid brand promotions, you're going to find them on my website. I'm not going to name them all today. And I do have a few coming as well. So we're going to be talking about all those things coming up in later videos. But today is an unboxing for you. And so this is the packaging. I turned it inside out because my address is on the actual package. It came in a little box like this. Okay, my unboxing videos are really weird because I just like to just unpack everything the minute I see it. And the company name is going to be on the screen for you guys. And they sent me 4 beautiful pieces of jewelry. And we are going to start with this gorgeous bracelet on my hand. I had to start with this one first. Again, you have already seen these on my social media, and I've already created content for the brand and all of that. And again, any videos or content that I create for this particular brand, I will be paid. And we're going to be talking about paid content creation and UCGs and influencers, all of those things that I've learned in another video. But this is a beautiful, gorgeous bracelet right here. Now, if I had to get married again, not saying that I would, I will definitely wear this. It's very dainty, very girly, very fresh, very modern, something that's very, very different. And I like to wear things and have things in my life that are a little bit different than anybody else. And what I love about this bracelet is the fact that it has a very long extender. So if you have like a thicker wrist, this will be perfect for you. And I just like to have it just hang just loosely on my hand. I don't want it to be too much in the middle of my hand. Like right here is just fine. It is just so lovely. Let me bring that closer so you can see that. And I do love this beautiful number 8 little design right there. Again, the extender is quite long, and you can keep this for yourself, give this to your niece, give this to a graduating student. You can give this to your neighbor, your best friend, someone who just had a baby. The gift giving is endless when it comes to this particular bracelet. Absolutely love it. Very different. And again, they're so light and airy and girly. And you know, when you see that modern, confident woman, nicely dressed, whether she's wearing shorts or skirts or just a nice beautiful suit and a lovely little bracelet, it's going to look very, very pretty. Absolutely love that. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And so the second thing we're going to talk about are these beautiful, gorgeous earrings. And I'm just going to show you, I'm going to tell you something. These hoop earrings, I cannot describe. I mean, you have to actually hold this in your hand and feel the difference, and then you will be able to say, oh my God, these are what I would consider the perfect hoop earrings. I love these earrings so much. So I've got this one on. There we go. Very, very easy to put on. The clasp to the back is really easy. It's nice and large, so you're not gonna hurt your ears. It's easy to flip back and forth. It's just lovely. And you know what? If I had to go shop for hoop earrings, I wouldn't even think I would buy something like this. It wouldn't even dawn on me to buy this shape and this size of hoop earring, because it obviously shapes your face in a different way as opposed to wearing the big chunky hoop earrings. It really does define your face just a little bit. And I love the way this feels, and I love the way this make my face look very, very, very light. Because normally when people are making jewelry, you know, they go by weight, or sorry, well, by weight or by scale, which is like from 1 to 5, and this wouldn't even register on that scale because 1 will be the lightest, and this one again wouldn't even register because it is so light you will barely even feel this on your ears. But then when you look at yourself in the mirror after you get all dressed up, you will say to yourself, wow, these hoop earrings are absolutely gorgeous and I love them so much. So they did send me 4 beautiful pieces, and this one here is a gorgeous necklace, and I absolutely love it. And you do have this beautiful heart pendant right here, which I love so much. Again, very girly, very modern, very fresh, very in style and all of that. Because you know, when you Google jewelry pieces or necklaces and stuff like that, these are the type of things that you will see in a magazine, like in Vogue and all of that. You probably won't see the big chunky necklace, because I mean there's a time for the chunky necklaces, but now you would see lots of these type of jewelry, and it has like a choker part to it, and this hangs nicely just around the chest. It is very, very pretty. Keep this for yourself, give it to a friend, give it to your girlfriend, give it to your mother, give it to whomever, but I would simply say keep it for yourself. And of course the extender here again is quite long. I mean, I just have it just for show to the last hole to the end, but it has a very long extender, so you can put this around your neck and allow this to fit and flow just absolutely nicely around your neck, and it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. Very, very, very pretty, very nice. Absolutely love that. And so the last one I'm going to show you guys is this silver necklace. Now, I have no idea which one is my favorite, to be absolutely honest with you. And I do like this one again, and it has this beautiful little stone just in the middle to give this a little bit of oomph. This is just so pretty, so classy. Again, very, very light, very modern jewelry pieces. And again, the extender, I mean, look at that. I have never seen necklaces with extenders that long. And you can adjust this however you want. You can adjust this to just make it nice and close to your neck, or you can just have this hanging really, really pretty just around your neck like so. It is just so lovely. When you see this on my neck, it's going to look so beautiful, so pretty. And especially if you wear like a V-neck dress or just a low-cut dress or something with this hanging just around your neck, it is very, very pretty. And again, I do appreciate the long extender, so you can adjust it however you want. And these are the beautiful, gorgeous jewelry right here. Now, I just also have to mention that although I'm a paid content creator, I only accept things that I really love and that I want to share with you guys. Anything that's sent to me that I don't like, anything that I'm using, whether that be skincare, jewelry, clothing, whatever the case may be, I will give you guys my honest opinion. Because I think some people think because you're being paid by a brand, you can just, you know, talk it all up and make it look nice. But, and again, not because I'm being paid by this company, I am saying this, these jewelry pieces are very, very precious to me. They're beautiful, they're gorgeous, absolutely love them. And you know, all of the content that I've already created is already on their page, because you know, they're looking for a particular style and stuff like that. When you know, people contact you, you know, your page has to look a little bit similar to theirs, because some people have a particular theme that they do have on their pages as well. So you know, they always say to me, we love your style, we love your page, we love to collaborate with you. And this is why I said yes to this particular brand, because I do love their jewelry. It is very, very nice. Again, I'm going to leave the discount code in the description box for you guys, so if you want to pick up on one of these, you can definitely do that. So of course, I was sent 2 beautiful necklaces. I was sent the lovely bracelet, and I was also sent this gorgeous earring, which I do enjoy wearing. And of course, I've already worn these pieces already. And again, like I said, if you do follow me on my socials, you would have already seen all of these pieces displayed already, all of the beautiful photos I've taken. It is just wonderful, and I definitely will enjoy wearing these pieces all summer, all year round. And again, all of the details will be left in the description box for you guys. And so we are going to leave it here for today. And I do hope you enjoy this video. Again, all of the details will be down in the description box, discount code, the link and all of that would be there for you just in case you want to pick up on one of these. And I do thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. Thank you so much for coming in today. I do appreciate you. And I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.